Hello everyone. So yesterday we posted a video with Swapnil Rao. Swapnil Rao, our student who got from Sydenham to JBIMS, accomplishing the dream that many of the students who get into Sydenham have always seen. So guys, I understand that last year was a little tough on you. Many of you might have seen the video and felt like अरे यार मुझे भी वहाँ होना है या फिर अरे मुझे वहाँ होना चाहिए था. So I understand that it is not easy to see that अरे यार एग्जाम गलत थी या फिर हमारी मिस्टेक नहीं थी फिर भी हमारा जो ड्रीम कॉलेज था वो गया बिकॉज आई हैव लॉस्ट माई ड्रीम कॉलेज मल्टीपल टाइम्स. नाउ व्हाट आई वांट टू हेल्प यू आउट विद इज दैट I can give you the best of the knowledge that I can give. I can sympathize with you. But I cannot change the result, or even me complaining about it will not change the result. All we can do is just rest assured that हम जितना मेहनत करेंगे उसका हमें रिजल्ट मिलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल मिलेगा. I am ready to give you all my knowledge, my guidance, to give you all the mistakes that I have made so that you don't make the same mistakes again and again. So that is why I am here to again reinstate the rule that I had made that anybody with a 98.5 percentile plus gets a discount. But I'm just changing the parameter a little bit. Anybody with a 99.5 plus percentile, because I believe you guys seriously had a chance and still have a chance of getting into JBIMS because of the sheer effort जो तुमने last year डाला था to get that result. So anybody with a 99.5 plus percentile, you guys directly get a 50% off on the crack your test course. Just talk to my team. या तो अपना सिडनम का एडमिशन दिखाओ या फिर अपना रिजल्ट दिखाओ सीईटी का लास्ट ईयर का. यू विल डायरेक्टली गेट द रिजल्ट एंड देयर विल बी नो क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड. दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट विथ. दिस इज द highest amount of discount that I am able to give because बाकी का मेरे पास खुद कुछ ज़्यादा बचता नहीं है because I have to pay my tie-ups and everything. So I'm trying to help you out the most, and this is purely only because I have been in the same situation as you guys have been and I empathize with you completely. So let's start working for the best and let's make sure that we are the best. Sure. Bye everyone.